Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual,
an online training resource for the performing arts. Have a good class.
So let's get the back nice and warm with some shoulder rolls and some tilts. So starting off with the right shoulder, we've got 1, 2 with the elbow, 3, 4, big circle, 5, 6. You're going to take that into a middle back curve with a demi-plie, 7. We're going to open 8. We've got a tilt, 1, 2, center 3, 4. This time repeat it, but with a plie. Here, 5, 6. Make sure the knees are over the toes there, and we've got no funny alignment going on, so you're with a plie. We're curving over, rolling up through the spine. Make sure your hips are still facing the front. You're just twisting from the lower base of the spine to open, back to center. Yeah? From there, we've got tabletop. So you've got 4 counts into your tabletop. I want you to breathe in before you go up and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're finding our flat back here. You should think top of the head towards the front, and you need to be lifting your belly button up towards the spine, so we're really engaged and we're not sat back in our heels. Our weight is forwards. You've got a nice swing, so we can relax here. Swing to find 5th. Keep the shoulders down here. You're then gonna hang from the ceiling. You're gonna pull through that right arm, taking the head with you. You're gonna drop 1, drop 2, and then pull yourself up 3, 4, pushing the space down. So I actually wanna see tension through the arms there. It's like you're pushing through fog or something, and connect the lats to the back, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we do it all on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, middle back curve, so belly button engaged into your spine, 7, open 8. Take the tilt, 1, 2, center 3, 4, with a plie. Again, make sure you don't knock the knees, make sure you stay knees over the toes. Here to curve through, keep that right hip pulled back, rolling up through the spine, left shoulder down, back to center. You're coming up and over for 4, backs of the legs working now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You swing 5, 6, up 7, 8. Left arm drops, 1, drop 2, 3, 4. Connect your core to your lats, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna squeeze to first. We're gonna start finding our rotators now, backs of the legs working. We do it all in first position, so we're finding our plie in first. All of this, obviously, is in turnout now, yeah? Okay, let's give it a go. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and curve and tilts with a plie. Up and over for 4, and swing. And up, drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, push the space down. Left, 1, 2, 3, middle back curve and tilt. With a plie, knees over the toes. Up and over, backs of the legs working, swing. And up, drop, relax the neck. Good, squeeze to first, and 1. Long front of the hips, and curve, tilt, good. Pelvis underneath, up and over, backs of the legs working in a thigh squeezing, and relax the head. Good, good. Last time, 1, 2, 3, curve, and over. Good. Up and over in a thigh squeezing. Push. Good, long front of the hips, nice. Good.
Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for Italia Conti Virtual, online training for the performing arts.